So today we are unboxing a Taylor compact folding thermometer. No, Taylor did not send this to us. We actually needed this, so we purchased it ourselves. Has a backlight, digital display, Fahrenheit and Celsius, and multi-use, and some instructions on how to use it, as well as it works from negative 40 degrees all the way to 392 degrees. Wow. It does include your battery, so you won't have to worry about that. So let's open it on up and take a look at it. So look at this, we got a nice little sticker here. We'll remove this, and then this just folds out, goes into your meat, of course. And I like this. Oh, that's for the pull that for the battery. There we go. So now it's lit up, and on the back you have two buttons, Celsius and Fahrenheit, and then on and off, of course. So right now it's on Fahrenheit, so I'll leave it there. It's apparently 80 degrees in this room. Not too bad, but can easily press this button to switch it to Celsius, press this button to switch it back, and then of course to turn it off you just hold this off button for a couple seconds and it powers off. Whenever you need to turn it back on, just hit the power button again and it cuts on and it's ready to go. And so when you're done with it, you're able to easily just fold it in, and that's essentially it. I like that you got this hole, pull it out, makes it nice and easy. That should essentially do it for this Taylor compact folding thermometer. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.